I love building over-engineered solutions, but sometimes the best fix is the simplest one. Why spend big on fancy planters or irrigation when Dollar Tree items can do the job? I challenged myself. Transform my garden with just $15 in everyday items. The results? Surprisingly effective. Today, I'll show you 15 unconventional, budget-friendly garden hacks. It's not just about saving money, it's about seeing hidden potential in ordinary things. Think of this as your guide to becoming a garden MacGyver. These tricks will make gardening easier, more organized, and a lot more fun. You really can transform your garden for under 15 bucks. I'm sharing Dollar Tree hacks no one talks about, simple tools that work like magic. Ready to see how far a little creativity can go? Let's get started. Let's get into it. Mesh laundry bags are perfect for curing garlic, onions, or herbs. Great airflow, no mold, and pest-free for $1. Metal shower hooks let you hang planters or tools along a wire. No drilling, just instant modular organization. Disposable foil trays make perfect mini greenhouses. Poke drainage holes, cover with cling wrap, and start your seeds. Turn a dollar storage bin into a self-watering planter. One fill lasts days, saving water and time. Skip pricey plant ties. Zip ties gently support vines and can be reused all season. Just don't over-tighten. Stack plastic dish drainers, fill with soil, and you've got a modern, space-saving vertical herb garden. Slice pool noodles to protect young tree trunks or cushion greenhouse edges. Cheap, colorful, and effective. Grab spray bottles for pest sprays or foliar feeds. Label them for an instant, organized garden care kit. Over-the-door racks on your shed door create instant vertical storage for tools. Tidy, dry, and rust-free. Muffin trays are perfect for starting seedlings. One plant per cup, easy to transplant. Stick plastic forks tines up in soil to keep critters out. Harmless, low-tech, and effective. Cheap shower curtains become instant frost shields. Just toss over plants to trap warmth on chilly nights. Snap old plastic hangers together for a flexible, sturdy trellis. Perfect for peas or beans. Line bread crates with burlap for instant raised beds. Great drainage for lettuce or herbs. Plastic shower caps make perfect humidity domes for seedlings. Remove when condensation builds up. There you have it, 15 hacks to prove you don't need a big budget for a great garden. We built self-watering planters, vertical gardens, and pest deterrents, all for about $1 each. The key? Look at everyday items with fresh eyes. The best solutions are often the simplest. Anyone can try these. No fancy gear or horticulture degree required. Let your curiosity lead the way. These hacks are just the beginning. Next time you're shopping, imagine the possibilities in every aisle. Share your own creative garden hacks in the comments. Let's build a community of resourceful gardeners. Gardening doesn't have to be expensive, just creative. Which hack will you try first? Subscribe for more budget-friendly ideas and let's grow smarter, not harder.